I know this looks pretty crazy here, but my lawnmower's under here. And what happened a few days ago, we had like this hellacious rain and 40-mile-an-hour winds. So I decided to cover it up with this, with my little wheelbarrow. Jeez, okay, you can see branches came down. Let's get this out of the way. Holy mackerel. That's okay, that's good. And so there we go. Hey, look at this baby right here. It's nice. Okay. Let's back it up. I usually just cover it with some plastic, but okay, now it really looks dirty. And that's because I have used it to mulch leaves the last several times I've used it. And so anyways, let me show you what I got here. So the other day, I opened it up and I pulled out the air filter here. And can you see that? I don't even know how this thing is breathing. But, you know, that's all from mulching leaves. And you can see all the dust and stuff that comes from doing that. So anyways, what I did was I went and went to the hardware store this morning. Got a brand new one. Oh, look at that. It's a, you know, it's for the Briggs and Stratton. And so we're going to put this thing in. What you do is just pop this off. That just comes off. And oh my goodness, it's a mess in there. I might have to get a paper towel and wipe it off a little bit. Get some of this dust out of here. I'll make sure it doesn't go in the go back inside. There we go. There we go. That's good. Nice. Whoa. Okay, there we go. That's good enough. Whoa. Okay. Okay. All right. It's looking good. Okay, let's open this up. Got a pair of scissors here. That's good. And just cut it open. There you go. Look at that now. How sweet is this? That's kind of beautiful. Nice. So all we got to do is take this, just pop it right on there like this. Nice. And it's going to have a nice solid connection there. There's a lot of dust in here. Let me see if I can wipe that out too. Okay, I'm going to do that. So there we go. Yeah, just wipe it out. There we go. Nice. Yay, dum-dum-dum. Okay, so that's pretty clean. And all you got to do is put it back on like this. So we're just going to put it on. And there you go. Clicks on. Nice. Perfect. Okay, we're ready to go. Let me see. Let me check. I'm going to wipe this off before I look at the gas. I don't want all this dust to go inside the gas tank here. So we'll just wipe that off a bit and see. Yeah. Okay, so let me see. What do we have here? There's a little bit of gas. I'm going to have to add some more before I start working on the yard. Okay, but let's check it. See how it starts up here for us. Yeah, let's give it a pull and see what happens here. Oh, nothing. Hey, that sounds good. So I'm ready to get to work. Hey, thanks for watching, guys. Hope this was helpful. And I think the main thing to take off of this is that if you're mulching leaves with your mower, that filter can get clogged really, really fast. Well, hey there, this is me. So another job well done, I guess. Hey, listen, I hope you all have a blessed day and a wonderful holiday season. Thanks for watching.